Hi, Caleb. What are we watching? Are we watching fireworks? Okay, Owen, what are we doing? Owen,
say hi, Mom.
what are we doing?
Hi, Mom.
Are we watching fireworks?
Oh, no. Cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, watch the fireworks.
Hey, here, let's watch the fireworks. There's the fireworks right there. You watch the fireworks. There's the devil in the background with his red eyes.
What?
Are you watching the fireworks?
Yeah. Oh, it's low.
What happened?
Fun, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some high ones, huh?
What happened to the fireworks?
Oh, wow.
Do you want to see it?
Oh, nope.
Nope.
Okay. You can't put your hands in the way.
They're finished. He's sorry. Wow! Wow! I love it. I love it. Oh.
Do you love it?
I love it.
You love it?
I love it. See that?
Cheese.
You want to see? Okay. Yeah, fireworks.
Do you want me to see it?
Now then. Another one, yeah.
Are those your glow sticks? You want to see this?
Well done. Is that fun? Is that fun?
Is it out of batteries?
No batteries. I'm tired. You guys tired? No.
Okay.
Okay, fireworks.
Happy
Here's one.
4th of July.
Come on.